Hi, I am Premlal. I work as a project manager at inMorphis. I proudly represent our core value of integrity. To me, integrity is like a mirror held against myself, reflecting my true nature. No one to judge but myself. Every other quality reciprocates by itself when integrity is in place. I have recently demonstrated this value where I had a call with my customer pertaining to one aspect of the scope of work. We had made a mistake in our initial analysis to identify the efforts correctly, even though the customer had agreed to it. I could have ignored it against our value. However, I relooked and revised the efforts. I truly believe how we respond to such situations shows who we are. I encourage everybody to see and value integrity in its true sense to see success. Thank you. Welcome to inMorphis.
My name is Richa Agarwal and I handle the IT asset management module at inMorphis. I can proudly say that we hold the customer success as a core value for us. If I can give you an example, so one of our major clients, which is also India's largest bank, they had the requirement for software asset management module that they wanted to bring ROI to the system and not just compliance. So the ROI module at that time was not launched yet on the tool. So what our team did is we built the module from scratch and we received 91.8 million for the customer. The team received huge appreciation for it. So one thing through this example that I want to tell you is understand the customer requirement, understand their problem and try to solve it as you embark your journey here at inMorphis. So all the best and we welcome you at inMorphis. Thank you.
Hi, I am Suraj Saurav and I work as a manager business process consultant in inMorphis. I take this opportunity to proudly present one of our core values, consulting mindset. I recently demonstrated it through one of our projects where we worked on implementing the onboarding or domination approach of a vendor for one of the leading banks in India. Being a process consultant, it's important that we understand the operation of any organization. Understanding the process, leveraging the knowledge of industry and deep understanding of service now, we can see and suggest what clients might not have visibility of. It is exactly what we did in this project. In this instance, the workflow is not available out of the box. This is where our core value came into play, and here we suggested and implemented the order guide based approach, which after implementation has helped in automating the process and has been a delightful experience for the customer. I hope you all will also enjoy demonstrating your consulting mindset over here. So thank you and I welcome you to inMorphis.
Hi, I'm Harminder Raina and I work as a technical lead at inMorphis. I proudly represent our core value of trust. I've recently demonstrated this through one instance where one of the customers was unsatisfied with the outcomes of a project delivered, due to which their business value was impacted. That's when inMorphis showed faith and trust in me and made me the face of the project. inMorphis portrayed how trusting us can help them increase their ROI. We started out by building the team as one, started setting up minor and major milestones and ensured transparency of work and bringing items to closure timely. Driving the UAT sign-off process by connecting with individual stakeholders was an uphill task for sure to establish faith and build bonds with them. In return, they entrusted us and we took ownership of successfully driving the go-live process as well. Looking at the scenarios now, the trust that was built by inMorphis helped everyone throughout the organization to look and think beyond the box to accomplish and gain our customers back with the successful go-live, and the result of which we have their BAU support. And they are one of our most valuable customers till date. Thank you and welcome to inMorphis.
Hey new joinee, I am Bhavna Nagpal working as Senior BPC in inMorphis. I proudly represent our core value of equality and oneness. A question that must have cropped up in many of our minds: can a woman do it? While I joined inMorphis, I could see a lot of male employees, but the question was, will I be treated at par with my male counterparts here? The answer was quite clear in a span of 2 months, wherein the pillars of inMorphis gave me a responsibility of handling a team of approximately 30 plus members and treated me no less than a senior male manager. Giving responsibilities was one part. They made sure to appreciate my work and efforts in front of my fellow members. At inMorphis, gender can never be an obstacle in your career path, and I can say this with great zeal that growth is going to be the only constant. Congratulations on taking the next step of your career within inMorphis. We look forward to supporting you along the way. Thank you. All the best.